Watch what will happen. Space sizovuleka phakathi nendawo. Angithi, this is the space. This is the space engikhuluma ngazo. Pass the ball there, mfana ngithi. Da. Watch this pass. Beautiful pass. Now the problem here is cross it. You've already trapped the ball. Cross the ball, mfana ngithi. Bheka uyi-1 umntana abantu. Pass with your left foot. Hey, Bafethu, why do you want to pass with your outside foot? Yeah, they win the ball here. Now, 1-2, mfana ngithi. Ufuna ukuzidlalela 1-2. Okay. Bafethu, star kasisiboni. Kasisiboni star. Sabubedi. Sanibonani. Welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AS FAR 0. I'm not happy about the game. Yes, Sundowns won the game 1-0. But if you watch the video that I did, AS FAR, right, you would know Guti. I did say Guti, bazovuleka in the middle. Sundowns didn't capitalize on those spaces that they found in the middle. And it poor performance, especially from Umukwena. I'm going to show you why I say Guti he had a poor game. Can't pass with the left foot. I don't understand. International player, when Anjalo Funu pass and go right, sugar. Now let's start. AS FAR came with their normal formation, a 4-4-2, giving space, too much space to his Sundowns. Sundowns, on the other hand, a 4-2-3-1. But what surprised me in this game was this. Now, remember Guti, when they play with Ulutlaku as the right winger or when they play with Umurena as the right winger, it means you're going to have a 3-set defenders. Then Umudiba will push forward on the left side. Gubengathi is the left winger. In this game now, it was only Adams, but sometimes they would swap, right? They would swap Umukwena Abela, Adams Abela. I'll show you in this clip. Mina, I prefer Umukwena Abela versus Adams now. But because of Umukwena, when going forward, it's another thing. Sharp. Well, on the left hand side, now you have the 3 midfielders here. You have Umukwena, you have Matthews, then Santos here. Leon as a striker. This is what surprised me in the beginning of the game. Angithi. Play a diagonal pass, but I said in that video, le engikhuluma ngayo AS FAR is they have to keep the ball. Even if you keep it for 5 minutes, it's space sizovuleka. I'll show you Guti sizovuleka. What they didn't do is when they saw that space, they didn't capitalize. The problem, they were forcing issues when you are not supposed to force issues. Now, when you're supposed to force issues, you force issues. But most of the time, they just failed with poor passing. Watch here. Now, this is Adams. They swapped. Let me take it back. Umukwena and Adams, they swapped. This is Umukwena. Now, this is Adams. Matthews is still here. Watch what will happen. Space sizovuleka phakathi nendawo. Angithi, this is the space. This is the space engikhuluma ngazo. Pass the ball there, mfana ngithi. You pass the ball, siyahamba siyaphambili. He doesn't pass it, okay, sharp. Keep the ball. Mayivalekile, it's okay. Izovuleka somewhere. Keep the ball. Just rotate the ball. The ball needs to touch someone on the flank. Angithi, ball is gonna come back. Keep it. Ungajahi mfana kithi. Now watch what happens. Matthews makes a run. Mateo mfana kithi. Mfana kithi. That's the only disappointing thing Matthews, Mateo. You expose the ball, you get exposed. If you expose the ball, you get exposed. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. Yes, alihlalanga kahle ibhola, but one thing you have to do, you know the defender, he's gonna come, and he's not gonna come this side, he's gonna come on your right hand side. Faka umzimba mfana kithi, ratsiba uthwinkinyana mfana kithi umfukeng ufedile, mara faka lo mzimba wakho lo at least uthole ipenalty. Ngishilo in that video ngathi their strength, when they get the ball, they just play it down the line. It's either on the right hand side or they play it on the left hand side. This was the first one. You have to be alert. Let me come this side. You have to be alert. Whoever's playing as a left back or as a right back, your full backs, they need to be alert. Yeah? They play it long. You can't have this space. You can't have this space. By a 10. And they don't play the ball in the air. They'll turn, play it on the ground. This guy here should have crossed the ball. But I think Umutau did very well. Block. Still, continue. They are not a team that's very good starting the ball from the back. No. What they do is, when they win the ball in the middle, they play it on the sides. You know, when coaches talk about Utama player aya katal, or they play too many games, some people won't see it, but you'll see it in a performance player. When they don't play to the highest level or to level, yeah, but it's what you like Umukwena had a bad game. Most of the guys had a bad game. Maybe it's because of the nerves. If you can go back from 5 years back, you look at the Sundowns when they play at home in these big games. Most of them, they are nervous. They just make silly mistakes. Now, Siakubek, AS FAR. Mukwena has the ball, tries to pass. Poor passing in this game. Poor passing. Now this team, they'll break you down, Maulahid. Watch this pass. Beautiful pass. Now the problem here is cross it. You've already trapped the ball. Cross the ball. Yeah? Already so push the ball. Why you not square? Usal push up to Alvana. Boy. Mfana githi. One last chance. AS FAR, ne? It comes from Sundowns losing the ball easily. Umukwena again. Now I want you to watch this pass, and then you'll tell me Guti it was a good pass or not. Angit. Watch this pass. Ane? Bad pass. Angit. Sharp. They go on a counter attack. Now good recovery from Mukwena, recovers very well. But I want you to watch Utin. Watch what he says. He is saying, Tashriq, you are alone. No accountability. You are the one who gave a bad pass. Aksu Mateu that didn't control the ball. When you have to take accountability. If Sundowns wins this trophy, it will be because of the senior players put up. They have to be accountable. There's a move that I saw that Sundowns did. They did it 2 times, right? The first one, the second one, Mateu. Now watch. This is Mateu here. He tried to pass the ball, right? He tried to pass the ball so for Mateu. Now watch the other clip. Now watch. Ball goes to the right. Mateu ulana. Long pass. Passa kahle. Mateu mfana githi upasa mang. Sometimes the ground imele ungenwe uphethe itswayi. Uthela itswayi because ungaboni izinto ezingekho egroundini. Upasa mang moli. Upasa mang Mateu mfana githi. This was a good move from Sundowns. The reason why Umetu angene bamfaka all the time is because of tactically gifted. He moves into the right spaces. The final product, mren. Sundowns scored via a set piece, right? But now, was the free kick necessary? Avoid unnecessary free kicks. avoid unnecessary free kicks. But sizoqala la, the pass, that's what Mukwena didn't have a good game, guys. Didn't. Now I want you to watch this pass. He's gonna pass Matthews. Now I want you to watch this pass and tell me Guti it's a good pass. Earlier I said Guti, don't force issues. What they try to force issues unnecessary. You force it if you have space. If I have space, don't force the pass. There's no space here, but watch him. Now, okay, let's say Matthews Begal control the ball now. Uzol control like poor passing. Aye. Okay, sharp. Now, defending. My man, Mutola face it kwa. The poles as a mover wako. Why kurasha? Unnecessary free kick. Ah, sugar. Skakaka. Unnecessary free kick. Bayenzani bathatha ibhola bayakora. Because why? Wakurasha. Kudu. Uyitrack. Uchayisa bana babanga. Bamona mate ufedile lwena utomchayisa. Now let's go to the free kick. The keeper made a mistake. When you're a goalkeeper, you don't assume ukuthi free kick izoshawa ubani. No, you look at the ball. You just look at the ball. You don't assume ukuthi free kick izoshawa umuntu okhahlela ka right. Angithi, this is the wall. Now, ibonda lime ngapha. Okay, let me play it. Naka! Phakathi. Inside. A great free kick. Mara, goalkeeper. Warjis. Goalkeeper Warjis. Think fast forward. I want the angle from the keeper's side, or the keeper's view. Goalkeeper Warjis. Take it back. Watch the keeper. Let's start with the keeper. Watch the keeper. He moves to his left. Totally wrong. You don't do that. You must never do that. This is the wall of it. This is the wall. If the ball jumps over the wall, then it's not your fault as a keeper. It's a good free kick. Angitumela, you're supposed to protect this side. If they hit the ball to this side and then Balshayla top corner, then Sizoshkuta, I know, Bakshayid. But you move slightly this side, Balshayla, and you even touch the ball, then it's your fault. Why did you move to the left? Largis, I've been saying Guti Sundowns didn't play well, or their passing game was poor. I've never seen his Sundowns pass so badly. If you have kids that want to be soccer players, teach them how to kick left and right, pass left and right, not pass with an outside foot. That's not a way how to pass the ball. Now I'm going to show you clips of Sundowns passing the ball with an outside foot, losing the ball for no reason. Now let's start. Space. Yes, Funa. Yes, tall. Now, first pass was bad. Passing with the outside foot. Passing with the outside foot. Another bad pass. Here, Sundowns had a chance to go and score. Just watch this. Pass with your left foot. Buffett, why do you want to pass with your outside foot? Sundowns had a chance to go and score. This was a great chance. It's passive. You can't always pass. More right. You can't. You call yourself a professional player. You want to pass more right all the time. No. You have to pass with your left. Another outside foot. Sundowns siya pressa. Siya wina. Siya attack. Outside foot. Final clip. Yeah, first half. Passing with an outside foot. Bora liphuma ku goal kick esfa sharp. Keep the ball. Now siyaphuma ngithi bayakunika outside foot. cishe bayokora. You know why players pass with an outside foot? It's because they are not trained to use both foot. Let's say Pola is in the middle. A player that's comfortable with both feet, uzosebenzisa zoyi-2. But a player who's comfortable with one foot will always use the stronger foot. So if the ball is slightly to the left, the player will always use his stronger foot. Instead of kuti Pola lingapha, naga left, slightly to the left, use your left foot. But because he's not comfortable, uzofuna ukusebenzisa inyawo lakhe laka right, aphase so. That's the problem. Players are not comfortable with using both feet. Second half, guys. Second half, what the coach AS FAR did. Later on in the second half, especially after Sundowns got an opportunity to score, changed and then he brought in, they played a 4-5-1. That was good, just to stabilize in the middle. The only way Sundowns will lose this trophy is if they make silly mistakes. Nyapinda foot. If they make silly mistakes. They almost did. They almost gave away a goal. Simple. They always do that. Nyabas. Nani nyabas. They play the ball long. Like I said, that's how they play. Now, a little ball. And sharp. Outside foot again. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Play a simple pass. Play a simple pass. The simple pass is here. It's here, not there. If you are going to pass there, then use the left foot. Because if you use the left foot, you put your foot around the ball. Bah. But with your right foot, maraluna bafethu mara. When you are a striker, you must run to the first pole. Open up a space for abanye abantwana. Ukasibatla ukora di goal ka ufela uli-1. Give space, open up the space. Hey, Sundowns, beautiful passing. Angithi, keep the ball, rotate the ball. Batlo buleya bathu ba. Abamnati when it comes to defending. Mfana make the run there. Yeah, you could have scored, but for me, you make the run there. Because Umetuse, if you make the run there, Umetuse has, you giving Umetuse the space for him to score. And you make the run, don't stay here. When you stay here, there must never be two players in one passing lane. There must never be two players in one passing lane. He needs to be here. Uleon needs to make this run there. If these two go with him, then Umetuse usala I1. Whether uzo Mesa or whether uzo Kora, seso iqeda after. Because vele siyamazi. But usala la. Bayakupressa. Okay, sharper target here. Akira about your first pool. Sharper target here. Sundowns had 3 opportunities in 4 minutes. Not 1, not 2, 3 in 4 minutes. Yeah, they win the ball here. Now, 1-2 mfana kithi. Ufuna ukuzidlalela 1-2. Okay. Bafethu star kasisiboni. Kasisiboni star. Sabubedi. Now, here. Umetuse. 1-2 mfana kithi. 1-2. Move mfana kithi. I understand what he was trying to do here. He was trying to pass the ball that side. I need to buy impressed. He was trying to pass the ball there. Ufuna ukuzipasa. It was a great idea. But keep it simple mfana kithi. 1-2. Mara Leon mfana kithi. Another one. AS FAR takes a quick throw in. Bayaba presser. Now they give the ball away. Mateu, beautiful pass. Mara Leon mfana kithi. Wow. When I speak about quality, when I say quality, Mangithi Sundowns up front, there's no quality. People thinking yahlala. When you get the ball, you have to go at an angle, guys. It's difficult to score a goal ubhekane no goalkeeper straight so. It's very difficult to solve. Okay, goalkeeper is slightly to the left, but it's very difficult to score a goal uhamba straight so. So you have to go at an angle. It's either you go to the right or you go to the left. It's very difficult to score like this. Man, another thing, the great scorers, ibhola lihambi phansi, lihambe emoyeni, lihamba la. Because the keeper wenzani is going to go down. You see where the keeper is. He's going to go down. The keeper is going to go down. So when you take the ball up, you see the keeper goes down. Yo, mfana ngithi umeyisithe mo. Hey, asa shapa lesigubhu sele summit. Final clip, final chance. Ariyeng asiyengubo phezu kwabo. Mone sebafithile mo. Ariyeng bafana kithi. Amara la Mesa Luna. Don't force issues when you play. Don't force issues. He didn't force it there, but now he forces the ball. Mutoa he's not that delicious. Mawuzo mpasi ball la. Uyamqaka. You need to know your teammates. Beka ukuthi wenzani. Wabona? Okay, raba press, abamunati, phezu kwabo. Awu mara Jehova, bafethu. Halisakena ibe 2 Awu mara Jehova. Ay. Lama goal lawa, Sundowns sizowakhalela. Angifuni wakhalele ne mara. Now Leon first touch Leon was not good here. 1, 2, 3. It would have been great. Baba mpasa, I'll trap yena. Because Umukwena was going on the other side. It's either uzoshaya on left or uzophasa Umukwena. But because his first touch was not delicious, awu mara bafethu. You see that touch? Let me take it back. See this touch? It was not a good touch. Then safuna adjust. Adjust. Now I don't think he was passing. There was pressure. So he had to go to advance. Why do players like Ukshaya pants? I don't get it. The keeper is always going down. Think about it, guys. The keeper, they set themselves up. Even if when they don't see Uchi Polaligu, they are going to go down. So you don't hit the ball hard. See? Put it there, put it here, somewhere here, put it there. I didn't enjoy the game. Yes, okay, the only positive thing I can take from this game was good Sundowns didn't concede a goal. That's the only thing I can concede. Otherwise, the Sundowns go be saying a star SC half. Winning 3-0, going to Morocco, half with a half a star. You get there, you put another half. Okay, perfect. Subscribe. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.